Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the national anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next. We now invite you to stand for the Australian National Anthem.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. Well, last week I started off our assembly with letting all our students, staff and parents know how excited I am. I'm still excited because it is absolutely fantastic to be able to welcome students back on site at school. It's just wonderful to move around the school and hear children, see children engaged in their learning, see children have fun and hearing laughter right through the whole school. Next week we welcome all our staff back on site and before you know it we'll be back into our normal school routines. Well, my message this week is just to remind our students about the importance of wearing hats. As you know, we need everybody to wear their hats in term 4, not only on the way to school, but when you're out in the grounds at recess and lunch, when you're walking home from school and any time you're outside for lessons. It is just so important that we wear hats to protect ourselves from those harmful effects of the sun. The other thing I will mention is a message for our parents. Parents, if you have children yet to enrol into the school for next year, could I ask you to contact the office, please, as soon as possible. And likewise, if you are moving out of the area, that you contact the office to inform the staff here that you'll be leaving us. Well, that's all from me this week. Like I said, absolutely fantastic to see everybody back at school, and I will look forward to seeing you around very, very soon. Take care, everybody. Bye now.
Hi guys, well done on another term of remote learning. Hope everyone's doing well. Can't wait to see you all again in a couple of weeks. And a special shout out to 6HW. We miss you and look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.
Congratulations everyone, we are so proud of you and can't wait to see you all back on site over the next couple of weeks. See you soon!
Hi there everyone, Miss Lansdale here. I just want to say congratulations to everyone on their efforts throughout remote learning.
Good work, grade 4s. It's been fantastic to see you getting online and doing those lessons. We can't wait to see you.
And thank you to all of the parents. We know how hard this has been this whole time. We're at the end of it, so we look forward to seeing everyone back at school nice and soon.
Alright guys, we'll see you really soon.
Bye.
Hi everyone, it's Miss B here. Just wanted to say a huge congratulations to all of you at Cranbourne East Primary School for such an amazing job during this remote learning period. You guys have done so well and you're all so resilient and we all really appreciate the hard work that you've put in. during remote learning. I wanted to give a special shout out to 4AT for your amazing work during remote learning. You guys are awesome, and you always turn up to class meetings every day with a smile, and your work has been so wonderful to see. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all at school very soon. Bye.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Music here. This is just a quick message to say how proud I am of you all. You've done really well during remote learning, and we've missed you the whole entire time, even though we've been able to see you on screen. So this is just a short message to say we're very excited to have you back, and I can't wait to see you on site. See you, everyone.
Hi everyone. Just wanted to say a really big thank you to all of the students for the wonderful work you've been doing with your art, the creativity and the effort that everybody is putting in is absolutely wonderful, and you should all be very proud of yourselves. Thank you. Well done. Also, a big shout out to the families for supporting all of our students in getting the work done and keeping everything going. Hang in there. Thank you. And well done, everybody. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, just a quick video to say well done and thank you for logging on to the remote learning. Hope you had a great time. We look forward to seeing you back on site.
Hi SEPS community. I want to put a huge shout out to all of our essential workers. I just want to say what a pleasure and an honour it has been to supervise your children on site. And we really appreciate that you haven't actually had the opportunity to work at home with your children because you're essential workers. So big thank you to all of you. A huge thank you too to all of our parents and guardians who are working at home with their children. We really appreciate the job that you are doing. We know how hard it is. Okay, and I'm looking forward to the day when we're all back on site. Hopefully that'll be very soon, and I can't wait to see everyone. And of course, a huge shout out to the effort that 1HD are doing. Good on you guys.